I'm going to share how I made money from the GetResponse affiliate program and why, even though it's a solid option, there might be better tools for your affiliate marketing goals. Stick around, because I'll also be revealing an exclusive, extended free trial for a competitor that could offer more value to you. First, let me give you a quick breakdown of what GetResponse is, in case you're not familiar. It's an email marketing platform with features like automation, landing page builders, and webinar hosting. It's got a solid reputation for its features, but is it the best affiliate program to get involved with? Let's find out. The first thing that stood out to me about GetResponse was the earning potential. The affiliate program offers a recurring commission model. So, you don't just earn once when someone signs up. You keep earning as long as they're using the platform. That can add up, especially if you're referring a lot of customers. I've made solid income from it, but let's dig into how and why it works. Next thing I noticed was the competition. GetResponse isn't the only game in town. You've got MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and ConvertKit all vying for the top spot in email marketing. I've tried all of them, and they all have their strengths. But here's the catch. When it comes to affiliate marketing, GetResponse has its flaws. Sure, the software is good, but the conversion rates for affiliates can be hit or miss depending on the type of audience you're targeting. The third thing I want to mention is the affiliate structure. GetResponse offers up to 33% recurring commissions. Sounds great, right? But the platform isn't the easiest to promote if your audience isn't already familiar with email marketing. It's not the kind of tool someone will instantly see as essential, especially if they're just starting their online business. To make the most of the affiliate program, you really need to educate your audience, but that takes time and effort. The fourth thing is that, while GetResponse offers decent support and resources for affiliates, it doesn't quite match the level of engagement and training that some of its competitors offer. Some affiliate programs really invest in their affiliates by providing loads of resources, webinars, and detailed tracking. GetResponse does a decent job, but it's not the top-tier experience you might find elsewhere. Now, here's the real kicker. While GetResponse is a great option for some, there are alternatives that I believe could actually offer better value depending on your goals. And that's where it gets interesting. I've linked an exclusive extended free trial to one of these alternatives, which I'll be covering shortly. To wrap up, while I made money from the GetResponse affiliate program, it's not the ultimate solution for everyone. If you want a program that's more optimized for your affiliate efforts, with a higher potential to convert and more resources to back you up, the alternative I'll show you could be the better choice. Make sure to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description so you can get started with the best tools at your disposal. And that's it. Keep in mind that while GetResponse works for some, if you're looking to scale your affiliate income and grow faster, the tool I recommend could give you the edge.